CBSE 8th Maths. Hey guys, I'm Tanya. I teach CBSE 10th Maths. Check out our videos in our playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
So guys, let's read the question. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. So the first subdivision is, if 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So now first we shall solve the first subdivision, okay. So we shall solve it one by one. So in the first subdivision they are asking that, they are mentioning it, okay, one thing they are mentioning and then they are asking a question based on that. That is, in classical we have 10%, right. So 10% is equal to 20 people. I'll write it as P. So this is what they are mentioning here. 10% is equal to 20 people. Then they are asking totally how many people do we have, including semi-classical, classical, folk and light, how many people do we have. So now we are going to find it, okay. So here you guys can see that we don't know the total value as per as question. So let me write, let the total survey, so total survey be X, okay. So I am keeping it as X, okay. So now we shall solve. So what is the number of people, what is the percentage in classical? 10. So I am going to convert 10% into fraction form. That is 10 by 100. We don't know the total now. So here we will multiply with the total. So do you guys know all the total? We don't know. So into X is equal to, of course here we will get 20. So now what can we do? We can just cancel this. 0 and 0 cancel. So now 1 into X is X by 10 is equal to 20. So now I can write X is equal to, I can convert the 10 to the other side. So 10 is in division form. When it will go to other side, it will become multiplication. So 20 into 10. So what is 20 into 10? Of course it is 200. So totally in the survey we have 200 people. So X is equal to 200. So now we shall solve the second subdivision. So in the second subdivision what do we have? We have which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people. So out of all this 4 type of music, which is the famous one, which has a lot of people? Of course light, because here we have, right, light is having 40% of people. So out of 20, 10, 30 and 40, 40 is the bigger number. So the second subdivision's answer is light. So yeah, light. So now we shall solve the third subdivision. So the third subdivision is, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So here remember this very well. This is like important part, okay. So a cassette company, that is the CD company, okay, don't confuse. So the CD company is making CDs, 1000 CDs. So you guys might be wondering how totally only 200 people are there. How can they make 1000? Because everyone, if a person is ordering 5 or 10 CDs, it will become extra, right? So in that way it came to 1000 CDs. So the question is, how many of each type would they make? So the question is, for semi-classical how many CDs they made, for classical how many they made, like that, okay. So now we shall solve this. Let me solve it in here. So yeah, so here I'll write third subdivision. So first semi-classical, okay. So semi-classical. So in semi-classical totally we have 20%. So as you guys know, we'll write percentages by 100, isn't it? So by 100 into, so what is the total number of CDs here we have? So here total we have 1000 CDs. Let me underline 1000 CDs. So into 1000. So of course I can cancel it. So yeah, 1000. So I can cancel it 0 0 and 0 0. So 20 into 100 is 20 into 10 is 200. Okay, I'm sorry. So 20 into 10 is 200. So now we shall solve the next one, that is classical. So classical. So for classical, how many percentage of people do we have? 10. So we are going to write 10 by 100 into total CDs, that is 1000. So here also I can cancel 0 0 and 0 0. So 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 CDs here. So next we have folk. So in folk totally we have 30 percentage people. So we shall write it as 30 by, oh I'm sorry guys, so 30 by 100 into 1000. So here I can cancel this and I'll get 300. And for light also the same thing. So in light I have totally 40 people. So 40 by 100 into 1000. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So here 400. So here in this in the starting of this subdivision, I told maybe a person would have bought 5 or 6 CDs. That one, some questions it will come like that. I didn't mention that it will come in this, okay. So don't get confused. It's not like the person bought, a single person bought 5 or 6 CDs. It's like commonly maybe in this 200 everyone bought single CDs. But in some question you might get like confused. In that part you should remember, oh, here a person bought 2 CDs or 3 CDs. That's why here it is different. You have to think it, okay. So this is the answer for this subdivision. So how do you know this is the answer, final answer? How do you check it? So it's easy, okay. Just add 400, 300, 100 and 200. So here 0, here also 0, 4, 5 plus 3 is 7, sorry 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm sorry I told 7. So yeah, so now we got 1000 here. So of course the total number of CD is 1000. So correct for everything, each person bought 1 CDs. By that we got 1000 as the answer. So but the actual answer is this one, okay, 200, 300 and 100 and 400. Just for checking you do it, okay. In the side you write it with pencil and check it. So this is the answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.